Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 1, Day 3. I'm going to say the sounds of a word and then we're going to put it together to make a new word. But first we're going to count the sounds. So, t. The word is met. There are 3 sounds. Let's do some more. G. The word is leg. There are 3 sounds. G, et. The word is get. There are 3 sounds. D. The word is red. There are 3 sounds. D. The word is bed. There are 3 sounds. N. The word is pen. There are 3 sounds. L. The word is smell. There are 4 sounds. S. The word is dress. There are 4 sounds. The word is step. There are 4 sounds. Okay, friends, this is our 3rd day doing this, so I'll give you the blend, then you're going to keep reading. Blend. Word, step. Oh, this one doesn't have a blend. See if you can do it in your head. Word, pen. Okay, do this one in your head as well if you can. If you can't do it in your head, make the sounds out loud. Word, less. Okay, I'll help you. Sw. Remember, this is a. EA says a. So, sw. Word, sweat. Okay, let's read some of these sounds. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Now remember that ED can say t, d, or ed. 3, 2, 1. T, ed, or d. 3, 2, 1. Sw. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. V. 3, 2, 1. J. 3, 2, 1. T, d, or ed. T, d, or ed. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's blend some of these. We'll do some together and then we'll take turns. And then it will be your turn. Okay. Pen. Word, pen. Red. Word, red. Ooh, there's a capital. It's going to be a name. Rex. Word, Rex. Bell. Word, bell. Now we'll take turns. You get to go first. Blend. Word, get. Oh, gets. Okay. Together. Wet. Word, wet. Okay. Your turn. It's going to be a name. Word, Jen. Together. 10. Word, 10. Now this time I'm going to let you try to do it on your own. Blend. Word, bed. Remember, this is a. Word, deaf. Your turn. Word, vet. This is sm. Word, smell. Okay, internal sounding out. So this is in your head. Friends, the goal is to be able to look at it, think it, say it. So we know this is per. I'll help you with some of them, then you're on your own, okay? Per. 3, 2, 1. Press. Now please do it in your head, okay? Okay, so look at this one next. 3, 2, 1. Step. Think of the blend. 3, 2, 1. Sled. Think of the blend. And then the pattern here. 3, 2, 1. Bread. Think of the blend. 3, 2, 1. Block. Here's the blend. 3, 2, 1. Clock. Okay. We're going to do a couple together, then a couple alone. This is yelled. ED means it's in the past. Yelled. Okay, your turn. 3, 2, 1, dressed. So even though it has an ED, it still says t, dressed. Okay, we'll do this one together. Headed, headed. Okay, your turn. Word, packed. Once again, it sounds like a t, but it's not. It's ED. Your turn. Word, spelled. Together, smelled. Your turn. Word, missed. Together, sweated. Sweated. Okay, here's our sentence for today. Because we know tell is not a name, so it's the beginning of a sentence. Tell Meg to get 10 eggs. Okay, so you'll notice we always start with a capital. And we have a capital here as well, which means that that's a name. Meg is a name. Do we have finger space? Yes. Can we read it? Yes. Do we have spelling? Yes. Do we have an end mark? Yes. What is my end mark? 3, 2, 1. Period. A period means it's just a statement. I'm saying it normally. Tell Meg to get 10 eggs. I'm not excited, and I'm not asking a question. Okay, let's look at the next one. The red fox fled to its den. Okay, do I have a capital here? I do. Do I have finger space? Yes. Can I read it? Yes. Spelling? Yes. End mark? Yes. 3, 2, 1. Period. It's just a statement. Okay, here are our high frequency words. Let's do it 5 times. Again, 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 again. Rex fell down again. Help, 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 help. Can you help fix this mess? It's a question. New, 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 new. Will you help the new kid? Now remember, EW says ooh, like I don't like it, ooh. Okay, next, there, 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 there. There is my red pen. They're excited. And last of all, use, 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 use. Tell Ben to use a net. Now if there was no E, it would be us. But the E tickles the U to say its own name, you, use. Okay, let's look at our story for today. Ted gets a job. Okay, here are words you'll see. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, new, 3, 2, 1, look, 3, 2, 1, go, 3, 2, 1, again, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, there, 3, 2, 1, what, 3, 2, 1, is. Okay, let's look at our story. Let's read it together. Ted gets a job. Your turn. Okay, I'm going to let you go first, then we'll read it together, okay? Okay, here we go. Can Ted get a new job? Ted can look. Ted can go. Ted gets set. So maybe he's getting ready for his job. Okay, your turn. Ooh, I see a sight word. Okay, let's read it together. Ted is wet. He gets his red bag. Ted is set to go again. Okay, your turn. Okay, together. Ted pets a cat. Can Ted help a vet? Ted cannot get a job there. Okay, your turn. Okay, together. Stop, Ted. What a mess. Ted cannot get a job there. Okay, last part. Okay, so here we go. Ted got a job. He is glad. Ted will use a pin. Ted will make bread. So that's a rolling pin. It flattens the dough. Okay, let's look at our pattern. When we have ed, it means it's something happened in the past. It's a verb or action that happened in the past. So dress becomes dressed. And you hear that even though it has t, it's still ed. Yell becomes yelled. Head becomes headed. Headed. Yeah, ed. Pack becomes packed. So it can say d, ed, or t. Okay, here we go. Grill becomes grilled. Mix becomes mixed. Lock becomes locked. Okay, so here's our last area. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Okay, so we're looking for a person, a place, or a thing, which is a noun. Hard hats keep the men safe. Okay, so look at this sentence. Is hard a person, place, or thing? No. Is hats a person? No. A place? No. A thing? Yes, that's a noun. Keep is a verb. Is men a person? Yes, it's a group of people. Men is my noun. And safe is not a noun. It's not a person or place or thing. So hats and men are nouns. Let's look for some more of them. I'll give you 3 seconds. The frogs can jump. So think person, place, or thing for a noun. 3, 2, 1. Frogs. The noun is frogs. It's a thing. I have to find my socks. 3, 2, 1. I is a person. And then sock, is that a person? No. Is it a place? No. Is it a thing? Yes. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Okay, let's look at the next one. Will you go with me to the store? Okay, so let's look for the person. Actually, there are 2 people this time. You and me are nouns. It's talking about people. Is there a place? There is a place this time. It's a store. And a person, place, is there a thing? No. So we have 3 nouns in that sentence. Okay, here is our last one. I love to play with toys. So remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. So what's our person today? I is a noun. It's a person. Do we have a place in this sentence? No. Do we have a thing? Yes, toys. I love to play with toys. So that sentence had 2 nouns. And last of all, we'll sing that little song one more time. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, everyone. Bye.